Hey there, traders! Ever find yourself overwhelmed by the sheer number of options trading apps out there? Yeah, me too. But don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'm breaking down the best options trading apps that you need to check out. And guess what? Exclusive offers and discounts await you in the description below, so be sure to click that link. First up, we've got Robinhood. This one's a classic. Robinhood is perfect for beginners, with its sleek design and zero commission fees. Seriously, who doesn't love saving money? Plus, they offer fractional shares and cryptocurrency trading. It's like a trading playground. But a word of caution, Robinhood's customer service could use a little love. Next on the list is TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. Now, if you're looking for something powerful, this is it. Thinkorswim is like the Swiss Army knife of trading platforms. It's packed with advanced tools, charts, and indicators that'll make your head spin, in a good way. Plus, their paper money feature lets you practice trading with fake money, so you can make all your mistakes without losing a dime. But heads up, the interface can be a bit intimidating for newbies. Moving on to Webull. Webull is like the cool kid on the block. It's got a snazzy interface and offers extended trading hours. And the best part? No commissions. They also provide in-depth analysis tools and allow you to trade cryptocurrencies. However, they don't offer as many account options as some of the big boys. Next, let's talk about eTrade. eTrade is a solid all-rounder that's great for both beginners and seasoned pros. Their Power eTrade platform is loaded with features, from advanced charting to risk analysis tools. They also have excellent customer service, which is a huge plus. But keep in mind that some of their premium tools come with a price tag. Lastly, we've got Tastyworks. If you're an options trading fanatic, this one's for you. Tastyworks is designed specifically for options traders, with a focus on speed and efficiency. They offer low commissions and a wide range of educational resources to up your trading game. However, their platform might not be the best for non-options trading. So there you have it, 5 stellar options trading apps to choose from. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to snag your exclusive offers and discounts. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, these apps have something for everyone. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and tricks. Happy trading, and may your portfolio be ever in your favor. Catch you in the next video.